My name is Trenton Pierre. I am from Keetsi First Nations. My ancestral name is Slamuch, and it means rain. My artistic inspiration comes from various different things. One of the things that really does trigger my artistic avenue is definitely going to the site of where my artwork is going. When I was designing this project, didn't know what I was going to draw essentially for this, but I was going across the Patello Bridge and instantly a vision came to me and I drew it on an envelope, and then that was the beginning of this creation. The purpose of my design specifically for this building, I really had to hone in on what was the function of the building. And I knew that there was going to be a lot of sports functions and maybe even gatherings of different sorts. So I really wanted people to feel welcomed and also protected. The mask is such a huge tribute to my people's and cultural survival in the attempted genocide. And this is the soul of my culture, and this is where a lot of our inspiration comes from and our power, essentially. And the mask is used as an ability to transform. The family of bears is to represent the family and unity that will be brought into this place. And on the drum, there's actually a world reflection of Turtle Island, that we're all united on one land. And I have the 7 paddles under the drum to represent the 7 sacred teachings of reconciliation. And that's just really to bring everyone together on an understanding of where my people come from. Though the design was actually made on a frit pattern, which is printed on glass, but it's through small dots. And the frit pattern was to host 2 variables, I guess. One of them is that you should be able to see through the artwork, and the dots are spaced just far enough that you can actually look through them, and you can barely see through it from the outside view. Another benefit of it is that it kind of blocks out some of the sunlight that's breaching through, so you only get half of the heat and half of the light coming in. When I do design something, my spirit does go into it, and I'm a very protective, loving person of everybody, and I just want everyone to feel that when they see my artwork.